Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to my fans on the TV. We're at the Alta Bar. Kipetwe Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2. Richards Bay 2. I'm joined by Nigen Mtungwa.
Butomdala.
Kamba kanjani?
Ungathi kamba kanjani ku22 kunje?
Kubi. Ngijabulile.
Kubi kodwa kuhle. No, ibhola lase South Africa limnandi. Yeah. Awusakwazi ukuliqagela kalula ukuthi iscore sizothini. Yabona indlela iPirates eza ngayo. Mina bengithe mangiqagela ngathi 2-0 iPirates iyawina. Kodwa ngathi angibuzanga elangeni. Mangathi yabheka abafana beRichards Bay. Khona nje abangichaze kakhulu. Yabona uZulu ngapha ka right emumva. Bese kuba uThembela Sikhakhane ngapha. Angazi uThembela Sikhakhane befunana number 3 kodwa indlela abadlale ngayo ngaka left uThembela Sikhakhane angazi befunana kodwa indlela abadlale ngayo kahle kakhulu ibe inhle kakhulu iPirates ayikho into wrong eyenzile kodwa engikubonile ngesombe iRichards Bay inhle kakhulu ingakho ngithi iPirates ayikho into wrong eyenzile kodwa mawuthi ubheka ngesombe sesibili iPirates sifuna ukulinganisa ibingayivali iFar Post uDaniel Mambushi Mdawu wathi mawufuna ukukora yena wafundiswa uBennett Masinga uma ku penalty spot makuyikhona noma icross noma ume ku far post noma ume ku near post lawa ama position okukora maningi amabhola iPirates ekade wa crosser malike laphuma la seliyaphuma liyoginqika lapha mawungathi ubheka igoli le Orbit College elishaya ku Chiefs kube yilo ibhola elishaye ku far post abantu bakhala ngovuma mina ngincome istriker ngathi lesa striker sihlakaniphile ngoba sikwazile ukuthi sifaka ibhola phakathi kavuma position number 1 laba right imvamisa mawulapho ushaya ama free goal akwenzekanga lokho iPirates ibiwayeka kakhulu umremi ngesikhathi bekhipha uApolis bengithi bazokhipha umremi because he was not
in the game
effective yeah he was not fully effective yes you could see him but he was not fully effective ask Baba Handa to explain for you what am I trying to say in English he understands better so yeah and also the Maswanganya has been playing well but he comes on too late lately. I don't know if he's doing something wrong at training or the coach doesn't trust him so much. I don't know, but these are the times whereby you miss a finisher. All those balls that were rolling in the 18 area you miss Mabaso. You miss Tsegofatso Mabaso. You miss him because he could tap in those goals. Yes, but Barnes and Into Zamahala, they're gonna finish a lot of teams. They are doing so well. Let me get out of football now and go to football news.
Yes, talk to me.
There is a woman who is now an enemy of the nation because she was trying to feed her kids. Mama Joy. Yes. Mama Joy now is the enemy of the nation. Even some government officials, one commented last week that she must ask her French boyfriend to take her to USA, to the World Cup. That is an insult to an old woman who never wronged us. Her problem was supporting South Africa. Her problem is supporting South African sport. Her problem was being employed because at Royal AM she was working there. Yes, she was supporting Pirates all these years, but she got a chance. Mamkhize offered her a chance to get paid for it. My team, Newcastle Football Academy, played against Mamkhize. His son, we found his son there. Because Bongani Mthethwa used to coach him at Okaso Paleshas Academy and at Orlando Pirates. Now he's working for us at Newcastle Football Academy. So her son was there. Where can you get that? And she was getting paid for it. So she is the same as Dr. Kaizer Motaung, who is working at Kaizer Chiefs while he supports Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
The same as Jomo Son, who is working at Jomo Cosmos, but he's supporting Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
The same as Dr. Patrick Msipe, who is a Pirates supporter, but he's working at Sundowns.
Yeah.
So Mama Joy should be appreciated as the first woman in South Africa to support sport.
Yeah.
But what is happening to her now? I hate it. I wish I could just meet her one day and hug her and tell her she did great.
Yeah.
South African people are not grateful.
Yeah.
Mama Joy is an icon of our sport.
Right.
She needs our respect.
Yeah.
She needs to be respected. And I would like to urge her to go back to the stadium and support Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
It's not, yes, on the first few days, some will look at her like this, but later on they will understand that Mama Joy is an icon.
Nice.
Talente. First time I call your name on air. This is your hand, Talente's hand. What you are doing, you take us to the world. You take us to the whole world.
Yeah.
What I'm saying here is going to be heard in the whole world.
Yeah.
Not because of Steve.
Yeah.
Steve is supporting you
Yeah.
because you show the visuals and the sound.
Ungabatsheli is my secret recipe.
Oh,
Uzotshontshwa ismail.
it's from Charlie Smash Sport. Yeah.